Hi, are you planning on going to a pub in northwest Wales? For example, maybe a night out in Pwllheli? Then I'm going to give you some phrases that you can use to survive. And, what I say in a lot of my conversational lessons is this is not correct Welsh. This is not what you'll learn in a textbook. This is more how people actually speak. And it's how you'd want to speak if you wanted people to think that you were Welsh, for example. So you wouldn't come in and say, Rwyf hoffi peint o gwrw. You'd say, Dwi'n licio peint. It's a bit of a different world. So here are some phrases that may help you get by on a night out. So something you might hear or want to say when you meet someone is, Ti'n iawn? So that just means you're right. So, ti'n iawn? Ti'n iawn? What's the response to that? Ydw, diolch. Yes, thanks. Ydw, diolch. Ydw, diolch. You want to order a pint? It's very simple. So, gai means can I have? And pint imaginatively is paint. And it's treiglos because gai does that to words. Gai beint, please. We have a real way to say please, which is os gwelwch yn dda. But often down the pub you would say please. Gai beint, please. Response might be iawn. Alright. Be tisho? That's what do you want? Be tisho? Now, if you want to say a pint of something, it's easy again. Peint or peint o stella. Peint or Budweiser, whatever you're ordering. Now, at this point, you might start to arouse suspicion. People might start to detect that you're not, in fact, Welsh. So, a question you might hear is, Sais ti? So, Sais is the word for an Englishman. It's a little bit derogatory, or the way it's used can be, but it's from that word, Saxon. Like they'll say Saesonach up in Scotland. You'll hear Sais, or the plural Saeson. So, Sais ti? Are you an Englishman or woman? Sais ti? It's probably better to admit, but if you tell them that you're learning Welsh, I'm sure you'll gain some respect points. So the response to this is ia, ond dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Ia, ond dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Yes, but I'm learning Welsh. Or again, you might hear, ti'n siarad Cymraeg? Which you should know. Do you speak Welsh? Ti'n siarad Cymraeg? And at this point, maybe the response is Dipyn bach. Okay, Dipyn bach. So once again, ti'n iawn? Ydw, diolch. Gai beint, please. Be tisho? Peint o stella. Sais ti? Ia, ond dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Ti'n siarad Cymraeg? Dipyn bach. And tip, don't let drunk people teach you Welsh because they're probably going to teach you to say very dirty things and tell you that it's a friendly greeting. Just be on the safe side. Thank you for watching and enjoy your night out.